Super Fight Series bout number 7. The end of the tape. Lalpekhlua and Moses Lalnunfela, 17 years and 19 years, 170.6 centimeter height and 172 centimeter, 58.96 kg and 58.91 kg. They reach 170 centimeter and 172 centimeter.
These are the official duty for bout number 7. Judge number 1, Lalnunfela. Judge number 2, Mizo Sanga. Judge number 3, Chongming Muana. Referee, Lalsoma. Bout number 7 of the Super Fighter Series 5. The next fight is for the Super Featherweight division. Introducing first from Aizawl, Mizoram, blue corner, Lalpekhlua.
Let me fill my cup, let me enjoy my high. Before you blow my, baby, you gon' blow my high. Don't make me show my
Lalpekhlua Tharon Zana Sakop may ani blue corner. Ani akan soy to Thanin ani he kumsom pasari chow pani in Orthodox Mangthiam ani in atung puitur hi Moses Lalnunfela ani boka Dona Chang Ray Lo Te Anon in Noile Dona ni Amu Nom Le Viawang.
They show me love, baby. They give me hugs, baby. Let me fill my cup. Let me sit back in this truck. Let me relax when we get home. I promise we gon' You steady bringing up some old about an old that I don't even. She don't get no. I'm sipping Trish and Craig and mixing.
And his opponent from Aizawl, Mizoram, red corner, Moses Lalnunfela.
Oh, Moses Lalnunfela here. Boxer Chatak Mainin red corner. Ani kumsom pakwa chow upani ani pohi Orthodox thau ani. Mizo khop maya ani hi ron hek chaviu tu rangayang Moses Lalnunfela red corner left Lalpekhlua blue corner tuna tang Ray Lo Te hian ana in khoi nuai le don ani amu nom le viawang in zanina hianin
When it comes on, another day, another dawn. Another Keisha, nice to meet you. Get the math, I'm gone. What am I supposed to do when the club lights come on? It's easy to be Puff, but it's harder to be Sean. What if my twins ask me why I ain't married mom? Damn, how do I respond? What if my son stares with a face like my own and says he wants to be like me when he's grown? Shit, but I ain't finished.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first from blue corner, at the age of 17 and standing 170.6 centimeter and weighing 58.967 kilogram, from Aizawl, Mizoram, blue corner, Lalpekhlua. And his opponent at the age of 19 and standing 172 centimeter and weighing 58.967 kilogram, from Aizawl, Mizoram, red corner, Moses Lalnunfela.
Boxer Chatak Mai Lalpekhlua le Moses Lalnunfela ai nek le donatin zanina henkan soilok do chu boxer te hen bets dum anon bel thina hi Coach Andrew Nupui Pizui August ni somni palisang ni somni panga boral tana anron tiani ti kha sia ila thome.
Round 1.
Oh. Oh. Moses and neck chuai me red corner lama tangin pesi asia mai anor na khop mai a hual chep theng em mang tang kai thei do na an be bian me maro chu dong vele zeu thina enge kheng don zanina hen knock out kan mule don em an mani pan hian khai thi dun khop me a fit pon fit ti hi alangani an mel en hianin an perfect fang me an mani hi thau hi om reng lo mai ni an fit ani tialan dan chun moje sa hen anor tu zo ka hen la tanga chuti rual chuan in Lalpekhlua duai lo khop me blue corner ni point enga lo in bum zau in lo chang le thei zel maya chuwang chuan in a chak tur hirin a harsa khop mai phim khur ri khop me an la injir chiang ve deu te pawning tuna khanin red khanan pet deu nal meya dak deu fa mai in pe chuan omani tuna khanin in pe chuan omani moje sa hian nor na thi tum riau me alan dan hian mo engai mu dan la
nia an mi pani hi an soi nu professional vai khat khelna ve ania chuti rual chuan boxing lama hian amateur lama ton shen nei thatak ve an nia an kum alano panga ani pani hi kum som pasari le kum som pakua an nia mabak nei eng tak an nia chak zo turan rin poirin thiam har ko me red corner moses hi tunik na chan nor tu zo ka chang em kan ti dewa
chuti rual chuan in Lalpekhlua hian in zama tum lo ni ngo lo chang le kha lo pe ve le sak zela chuwang chuan anor tu ringo thi chakna ni chuang lo boxing a chuan in kha moses khan dong le nal zel fight mu nama online zir chiang an film khur khop maya an la no pang dun boka an la chaw lo dun khop an la zani an mani an pani hian one truan pe laka moses khan mu na maniang round khatna zo der mai
Made for the main stage, I don't wanna play A. I don't got time to play games. Love got me insane and in pain for the past 4 months, 5 weeks and 6 days. So I stopped saying haze and the highs turned to goodbyes. Even though I see a future in the eyes, but I can't stop to play the music playing in my brain. I don't want the bread, I want the whole bakery. They serve her peach and pies, she ate and left no crumbs. Sipping on a virgin mojito, that's a drink. Caffeine sometimes when the life is out stressing.
Seconds, clear the ring. Round 2.
Moji sahian knockout hi tum riau me tum hi alo tin tir thengem chuti rual chuan in Lalpekhlua duai lo mai ati vetlat gata da tha box hi pe fu le zeu mai moji san dong vele jep le zawa chép lệ dâu à Lalpekhlua te hi ngoi reng hianin karinain aron ti thei riau mea lan ran chuanin ama hin thlasun mel deuh alang te ti lo hianin boxing a chuanin tharuma poimo a nek fu te poimo a ron chuanin tuna pon nor chunjom vele ani point vai chel chiang hai mai kha chu alan danai chuan mojis hen tlem chuanin enge a thiam deuh zawk em ti theia chu ti rol chuanin a nek fu zonga chuanin an la in ang thokhat fiang ka ria anin pemol mola chuan ngai tak men mojis an dong tlat dong le ta kha chu kha Lalpekhlua hi a duai lo a ron ti fu le khau zel rinain ti thei tlat Pekhlua duai mi alo mi nek fu reng don lo ti ril rupu ni om takin an bek le zawa anin pedun mol me vai chel thuaka dong le zawa anin ngam dun khom me hun zo le ta
And this fight is an awesome. They board attack. Someone said that I think he's the best defending at this moment. Who is the best fighter? We don't know yet. We are not judges, and we don't have seen any just scorecards. But we think Moses Lalnunfela, right, red corner. He have scored more than. We think that he scored more than Lalpekhlua. But we already told that we are not a judge. We are just only a commentator. We don't know who win. We don't know.
Seconds, clear the ring.
Fourth round is the final round. This is the judgment. I thought that
Round
this is
three.
judgment round. Let me. This is round 3. I thought that this is round 4, but this is round 3. Yeah.
Ola, tuna hian thad raw. An noi le meka. Ein peton sak mai. Peton sak mai. Dong chu no mani tuna han dong chu no mani. Maro chu chiang taka han ne so taka han ti hi aharan yang an mani ein tiat tok boka. Sia thiam har khop mai chak tur jok hi. Chuti rual chun tuna tang rei lo te hian result kan tha thele dona for down an khelenga knockout thi chu etialan dan hi chung kan mu don lo ni in alang riau me
knockout thi chu ni ani pani angai chuan an weight le an hai ta tang po hian haratin anin nge in ne tok lo lu to kan ni lem lo wa red corner Moses hit kemen chung dong setem kan han ti mai chawani ya kha chung dong na kha just te khan lo chung dong kher lo mai thei bok ni
Lalpekhlua po hen ape fu le zau thin chu wang chuan in soi thiam har khop mai so tuna pon nor tun chang vele a Pekhlua hian chakatum he mai fence te po an trering an tran ani boruwa ka tha chau khop mai tuna khanin Pekhlua dong zawa chang let ve thei don em an film khur dun khop men meng kar me ni an mani hi dulan han tia maro chu fu chiang tak ale om thei lo fu chiang thei tak mo one two á
cái mình này kia
position
là nó lâu đeo shit à hay anh nhìn zir đeo te pola ngai ni na lang nek nat te zir ngai ne zir thei nia boxing a hian zir tur he alo tam khopa tak sa in von ngai boka nek na ngai boka invent thia mangai boka khang zong kha combination kha voi le kha tam man ron ngai to shin boxing
kha
ar salai ber ni
pek luan pe fu le chat mai ria thiam harani zanin game chu dir lama khanin mojisan an norvio nan tuna hen pek luan norvelia enge kheng don anin ngam dun khop mai round na top le der mai fourth round ala oma chomin huwa chuanin a chung nung zok kan tha thei don ani mi pui thom a tha chau chana LPS Arena janina hian fight a free en thei reng ani ti te po khan thar leila in life kan te chuana hi I do play ani I do play a hianin movie chi sang en tura oma kan phone ate po khan no install zelila anni hi apps changtum tak mai an ni anni hianin movie ba ka even chi sang te po live in an kalpui chhome ani
Seconds, clear the ring. Round 4.
Fourth round noi le chana an film kordun khop me hetia landana hi chuanin tin anin ne toka an body po ain ang tok an san zong te po ni sela tuna khanin thanem ngai tang dong vele ain pedun sak me a puye an one two hi an thanem an ngai khop me knockout kan mu thei don em tuna khan moji sanan nek vele maro chun nek tlang luwa pek lua hian engtin nge ron chan let vele don kledeu zau me jep fu tlat mai kha chu moji sa hian jep hi mang tangkai thiama chu ti rol chuna mang na salo deu in alanga ki mang tangkai deu se chuan in point score theina tur lian tak ni na langa ka left zong zel khanin tuna khanin pek lu hi dai rei riau mai rinai takin ati thei tat a thona don at tum mai lo a thonin ka dong don lo I dong ve ngai turin ti ril rupuin pan ngau mai kha chu a fu le Lalpekhlua hi rinai na ron ti thei tlat zel khanga khanin a top lama hen ron che tha chole tlat zela hi te hi a dang lam na ning ka sia
thei to ban so ve an thei top chu hi atling zo angem ti chu hai thuni round lina ni to round lina hen chin felin a omdon ani a changin kan soifa tak chinang khan organizer te lam changin English engmo han soi angai chang te oma kan thiam ang tok angin kanon ti ve nok chin don ani ti khamlo shet sakula mi puite pona clear to 10
game la man lut le lokila tunai jon Pekhlua a top lama hen hai aron ti thei rinain tha hian nei ni Lalpekhlua hian ati lama khan mojisan an view na tuna chuanin Pekhlua hian an nor vele to anin nor ton zak maya munom khop mai thane man ngai dun an nek mol mai chuti rual chuanin ain nek fu le thelo tuna khanin Pekhlua pe fu le chata tuna khanin mojisan chak tu sia thiam har khop mai alan dan hianin tu zong nge chakang ti hi sia thiam harani ani ne to kani mo sia thiam har dung mai
I already said that he's fighting in awesome, and they both attack. We see that they had a full fitness and good endurance. Who is the winner? We don't know yet. After the judges' scorecard, we know that who is the winner. I don't think. Moses Lalnunfela, red corner. He is the winner. I think that, but Lalpekhlua also a good boxer. I don't know how just a score card. Only after a few minutes, after a few seconds, maybe the scorecard will be there, and then we see the result after a few seconds.
po anon thangem shot le maya fight mo nom tak tak zani na hian kan en chun rom sel don ani amona en aman la a chuti rol chuanin ai du play lama TV lama en po aman hla hle ti alang ani tu na tang ri lo te hin result kan sa thei don ani
Hello. After an electrifying 4 rounds of boxing, these are the points given by the judges. Judge number 1, 38-38. Judge number 2, 37-39. Judge number 3, 39-37. And the decision of this match is a split draw.
Di khop na in ne to ka ni ani pani kha anin ne tok boka draw kha a om vi na lang ani oh